Bone the Last Tribe, When Humans Faced the Darkness. Studio microphone opening narration. Imagine this. You were standing at the edge of a dense and mysterious forest nearly 200,000 years ago. The sun is slowly disappearing behind distant mountains. The sky glows with shades of orange and red. Birds return to their nests as darkness begins to spread across the land. A strange silence fills the forest. It is the kind of silence that comes before danger. A small human tribe gathers around a crackling fire. Mothers pull their children closer. Hunters sharpen their spears. Everyone knows that night is coming. And with the night comes fear. Deep within this forest lives a terrifying predator. A giant cave lion, larger and stronger than any lion most humans have ever seen. Its roar can be heard for miles. Animals flee at the sound of its voice. The tribe's elders tell stories about it around the fire. They say many hunters have disappeared after crossing its path. Few who faced it ever returned. The next morning, several young hunters leave the camp in search of food. They follow animal tracks along a riverbank. As they move deeper into the wilderness, they discover the remains of a half-eaten deer. The oldest hunter immediately understands. This is no ordinary kill. The cave lion is nearby. Very nearby. The air suddenly feels colder. The forest becomes quiet. Even the birds stop singing. The hunters grip their spears tightly. Their hearts begin to race. Every shadow seems alive. Every sound feels like a warning. Yet turning back is no longer an option. As evening arrives, the hunters return to camp. A large fire is lit. Children sit close to their families. But tonight, everyone feels uneasy. The hunters share what they discovered. The cave lion is hunting nearby. And it may come for them. Darkness falls. The stars appear overhead. The fire crackles softly. Then suddenly, a loud rustling sound erupts from the bushes. Two glowing eyes appear in the darkness. A deep roar shakes the entire forest. The cave lion has arrived. Panic spreads through the camp. Some step backward in fear. Others freeze where they stand. The massive predator slowly moves toward the firelight. Its powerful muscles ripple beneath its fur. Its sharp teeth shine in the darkness. The hunt is about to begin. But then something unexpected happens. The tribe's leader steps forward. He raises a burning torch high into the air. Another hunter joins him. Then another. And another. Within moments, the entire tribe stands together. No one runs. No one abandons the others. They form a wall of courage against the beast. The humans begin shouting. They strike their spears against the ground. Flames dance in the night air. The firelight reflects in the lion's eyes. For the first time, the predator hesitates. It has hunted many animals before. Most flee immediately. But these strange creatures are different. They are standing together. They are fighting back. The shouting grows louder. The flames move closer. The cave lion takes a step backward. Then another. After several tense moments, it turns away. Slowly, it disappears into the darkness of the forest. The tribe has survived. To future generations, it may seem like a small victory. But it is one of the most important moments in human history. Because on that night, humans learned a powerful lesson. Alone, they were vulnerable. Together, they were strong. They did not win through strength. They did not win through speed. They won through cooperation, intelligence, and courage. Years pass. Then centuries. Then thousands of years. Humans create better weapons. They master fire. They develop language. They build communities. Eventually, they create villages, cities, and civilizations. But the foundation of everything begins here. In a dark forest where a small tribe stood together against fear itself. Studio microphone outro. The lion had strength. The lion had speed. But humanity possessed something even greater: intelligence, unity, and hope. Those qualities would one day make humans the rulers of the world. Globe next episode. Fire, the discovery of fire. How humans conquered the night. Fire bone crescent moon sparkles.